Are you understanding,
Yes.
others? You have to see the equation clearly. See what they have given. They have given as what? They have given the X plus barium chloride. Okay, the X plus barium chloride is Y plus potassium chloride. See, from barium chloride it became potassium chloride. So obviously that X must be potassium compound only. Okay, Y is white precipitate. See, anything related to barium which is giving white precipitate is barium sulfate. Okay, the barium sulfate is the only one that gives the white precipitate. So in this equation, immediately you'll get to know why is barium sulfate. Okay, the barium sulfate and the potassium chloride. Obviously, so they have given a barium chloride, so X must be potassium sulfate. Are you understanding? Everyone understood, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Easy. Okay, you should know what type of precipitate it forms. Be very confident in that. What kind of color it will give. That is very important. Okay. They are not at all given. They are just given as white precipitate. They are just given as white. But when you talk about barium, yes, barium sulfate gives white precipitate. That you should know. Rest you can only mix and match and write the equation. Okay. Yes. So next, write the balance equation. You can write the balance equation. Okay. So next is what?
Yeah, I got marks for the balance equation also.
You got marks, sir. Okay. Then that's all, no?
And it's
That's
bio, I guess. Yeah.
all biology. Okay, understood. See, it is little
Yes,
twisted,
I
but
got the format now.
yeah. See, only problem was here was that assertion reasoning and that paragraph. Paragraph was easy only. All basic
Yeah, the
questions I have asked.
paragraph.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you should not be panicking. Only challenging question was that assertion reasoning. Because sometimes little bit they'll confuse you. Okay. But the rest of the questions are very easy. You have to be very thorough with the equations, what color it will change, and it's going oxidation, reduction, displacement, everything you must be thorough. Okay. So it will be easy for you to write. Yes, clear. Others, any doubt? Anything you want to ask others? Since you are yet to write your exam or test, please ask your doubts. No doubts? No? Okay. Yes, we'll just continue 2 more slides and just do this. Okay. Okay, so yes, so basically the metal carbonate reacts with water and the carbon dioxide to form the what? The metal bicarbonate. So it is usually soluble in water. So that's a white precipitate. Okay. So calcium carbonate always gives a white precipitate. Okay. So usually the calcium lime water reacts with a carbon dioxide to form the calcium carbonate. That is a white precipitate over here. And excess of CO2 gives the calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water. So next is what? Limestone or the chalk or the marble. Okay, so basically all these are the carbonates or the metal carbonates or the hydrogen carbonate that gives the respective salt. So carbonates plus acid gives the salt and carbon dioxide and the water. Yes, how does the acid and the base react with each other? So acid plus base gives salt and water. So usually the acid and the base react to form salt and water. So when you have a base, when you put the phenolphthalein indicator, it turns pale pink. Okay, And later for the same base solution, if I add the acid, obviously the acid will utilize the base to form the neutral solution. That is, it will turn colorless. Again, to this colorless, if I keep adding the acid along with the methyl orange, I'll get the red color. Okay, so that is a methyl orange. Clear? Yes. Any doubt? Yeah. Okay. See, copper oxides or the metallic oxides react with an acid to form salt and water. Okay. Metal oxides. See, metal reacts with an acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. Metal oxide reacts with an acid to form salt and water. I repeat, metal plus acid give salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is released. Metal oxide plus acid gives salt and water. Okay, metal oxide, always the water is produced. If you take only the metal, it will always give the hydrogen gas. Okay. So you can see the CuO plus the HCl gives the salt and the water. So water is formed. Okay. The calcium hydroxide, see calcium carbonate. See the lime water turning milky. See, this is the calcium hydroxide. In the presence of CO2, it turns milky. Okay. Yes. So how do the acids and the base? In the presence of acidic medium, always the electricity, it will conduct the electricity, and there's a glow in the bulb. Okay, the acid or the base, if you take, so what will happen? There's a glow in the bulb because it tries to conduct the electricity, because the acid or the base forms an hydronium ion or it is able to ionize. Whereas the glucose or the alcohol, since it is made up of molecules, it does not get ionized. The glucose or alcohol cannot get ionized because it is made up of molecule. Hence, when we put the base, when we put the glucose or alcohol, there is no bulb glow. The bulb cannot glow. Clear? Any doubt? Understood? Any doubt? Yes, Harshit, Shreya? No doubt? Okay, so shall I close the session? I'm not able to hear you all. Suddenly something happened. Use the chat box.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I close the session then. Thank you for joining. See you in the next class.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.